Ilokhu vuthe njalo ke umlilo laphana ke kumkhokha emzini kaDifa. Asazi ukuthi ke ugabsile kanye noma Mzobe bamfakele noZodwa etiyeni ngoba sibone ngazuthi ke ingane iyaphuphuma kunegazi ke laphana ke engutsheni yakhe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UMKHOKHA from the 21st to the 25th of August 2023 on Monday. Gabsile wants to kill Zodwa. Mlungisi commiserates with Mabusi and Mazungu spills the tea on the drama at the Gumede residence on Tuesday. Zodwa's anxiety heightens by the confirmation that she's pregnant. Mlungisi and Sibusiso make a mockery of the church while Simpamandla enjoys success at the Pietermaritzburg branch on Wednesday. But the Mzobes won't allow Difa to disrespect their family as he tries his best to marry Zodwa. The Mtembos can't get through to Mabusi as she struggled to get over their slander on Thursday. The Mzobes thinks they have beaten Mamzobe into submission. Namkhosi brews enmity between Mabusi and Manzimande, and Mapalala is dragged into gossip by his wife on Friday. A trail of blood gives Zodwa and Difa the shock of their lives. Mamzobe receives a cold welcome at Mlungisi's house. Mashazi can't believe Mamzobe is giving up so easily. All the church members abandoned the main branch for the Pietermaritzburg branch. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.